Speaker, the Acting Prime Minister, the Deputy Speaker, Deputy Leader of the Opposition, my colleagues, Pat Nutt, Jules, representatives, and the Department of the Assembly. It's a great privilege for me to be a part of this project. It's a very important tool for journalists in Samoa, as has been outlined already. My job, in simple really, was to harness the input of the laws and the Legislative Assembly, produce a guide that is practical for reporters covering the deliberations in Parliament. And as a former parliamentary reporter, I know how difficult it is for young journalists in particular to come to grips with the processes of Parliament. Now, while I've explained the procedures of Parliament and the roles different people do play, and also offers journalists advice on how to navigate through sometimes complex practices and protocols, as has been touched on as well. All this is done with the simple aim of enhancing the reporter's understanding so that they might write accurately, also importantly without bias, and fulfilling a role of keeping Parliament accountable while informing their audiences. This handbook really builds on work that PACMAS has already done in Samoa. You may be familiar with the court reporting guidelines, as well as the parliamentary reporting handbook for Fiji and Tonga. While this guide is being launched in English, please be assured that a version is being translated into the Samoan language. It's not far away, and it will be available on the Parliament's website alongside this English language version. That's very important. I hope reporters can use the handbook for a greater understanding of their role, and indeed role of MPs. That's the crux of the matter. As has been mentioned previously too, that's crucial to building a robust democracy in Samoa, so each side knows where they are. Just as this guide will assist journalists, which we hope it will also help MPs understand the rights and responsibilities of the media. The relationship, of course, is a two-way street, and while the handbook aims to make parliamentary reporting better, it must be said that Parliament must enable journalists easier access to information so they can perform their role to the nation. Thank you very much.
Mr. Chief, para Palavati, Presidente do Presidente, Dani Pessoa, para o senhor.
Saya tahu dulu waktu itu, dia mampu semua orang itu sasi sekarang ini kerja mayor ini kenapa? Kalau sama kita mengambil cara satu proses untuk mengambil orang proses semua pari, kita kita aktifkan kita Muhammad sedang melakukan aktivitas kerjaan formal video lalu dia lalu don't forget to speaker of your Your Excellency, Australian Secretary members of practice, Steve Davis, Rochelle, we have Michael and Grace here, and members of the full stage. I take this opportunity to express your sincere appreciation and thank you very much for this project. It wasn't easy from the beginning. We wanted to go to Tamba for this kind of money, so when we approached Campus Local Tamba, we actually got funding approval from the Australian government to that group. So we were happy to have the fund, but the challenge left was how to approach the speaker, because it wasn't easy getting him to agree to this project today. But as we see, we're all here to bear witness to the completion of that project. So I'd like to give a big vote to PACMAS. This is not the first time PACMAS has stepped up, seems to support and funding any project of yours. This is not the first time, and I hope certainly won't be denied. And to the office of the legislative, I know you've had plenty of work on your timeline, but you really put aside your efforts to make this work our today. So thank you very much to the Clark, Deputy Clark and your team, and to the members of the Port Estate. It's a very nice little book, very colorful, and I pray that you will not use this book as a decorative ornament on your shelf, but to make use of the book. Think of it as a legacy you will leave behind for the generation of journalists in the future. Thank you.
Sipania, itu mau anak pun suara tentang aplikasi, boleh posting atau tak menulis tak menulis langsung.
Controllo penale o bajo de la con caballo de la nueva visitarla pastorado donde fue llegado a no decía control o lado y yo fui un día no en la calle ahí lo lado por el pastorino estaban para en parte estaban por tanto no usamos la I have the privilege of having the privilege for that this conversation to be able to so I want to thank you for allowing me the privilege and for the conversation.
Bisa baca dengan
On behalf of Parliament, Samoa and government, I wish to send a small gift as a token of our appreciation for the completion of the project and the hard work put forth. I hope this will be the beginning of many collaborations between our office and backers and yours. God bless and wish you a safe trip back to your home and family of child.
mulai dari rumah ada di kamar yang satu kupalan sebenarnya semua satu buat itu yang memang rumahnya pagi itu jadi kamu boleh lah before we conclude our official launch today I like to invite all members to finish the session with the Deputy Prime Minister, the Speaker and Her Excellency the Deputy Official and the Speaker. To invite you to join me together as I conclude this program with a word of thanks to Heavenly Father, Datuk Father Tau. Dan Tuhan membantu Tuhan, dalam dunia yang sebelum dia membantu orang yang sama. Dia cuma dia membantu lagi di dunia yang membantu. Apa yang boleh Pak orang itu, terjadi waktu membantu Tuhan. Familia tidak cuma di Fongcarai, familia di cuma Sipania, familia pun di cuma di Fongcarai, atau pun Sipekar di Tuhan. Pak dia orang Muslim mahu Australia sama ni, Pak dia maju umum maju apa pun sudah terima, yang maju tak terima orang. Kalau mereka maju suatu situs, amin. Kita